The temperatures are dropping and you might be experiencing hard starts with your truck. I'm Megan with S&M Diesel and this is Just the Tip. Diesel engines are notorious for hard starting in the cold weather, and that is where glow plugs and grid heaters come into play. Glow plugs and grid heaters preheat the air coming into your engine's combustion chamber. If the air entering is not heated adequately, this could be one of the reasons that your truck is struggling to start. Air temperature plays an important role in diesel fuel combustion. Hard starting may also be followed by a check engine light, indicating that your glow plugs or grid heater might be faulting. The only way to know for sure is to get it diagnosed. Bring it on by to S&M Diesel where we get dirty so you don't have to. Also, go check out our video on grid heaters so you can learn a lot more about your 6.7 Cummins.